Hello guys. Welcome to PICHI Puff channel. So, in this video we are going to make avalanche slime. So, first take a bowl and any white glue. So, let's dump the white glue in the bowl. Very beautiful. So, after dumping the white glue you can add any decorative items, so, I added some glitters. Now mix. So, now let's activate the slime. You can add some water. Now mix. Now, the top layer of avalanche slime is ready. So, now we can make the down layer of avalanche slime. So take a bowl and pour color glue any choice and mix it with activator. Now, the down layer of avalanche slime is ready. So put the white slime on top of the purple slime, like I did. Let it set for 1 or 2 days covered. So, here is the result. It's very beautiful. ASMR. So now let's mix it. texture. Add some decorative items to slime to make it beautiful. So, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.